Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera distortion on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click on hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so clean camera lens. After clean camera lens, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list and click on camera app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so again click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system, reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera distortion on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.